Hey guys, welcome back to the Blue Grass Kids. Today is a weird day. My thing is getting in the way though. Today, this happened. And hopefully you guys see. It's snowing. But yeah, it's snowing, so that's really great. I don't know if I can get it though, but it's snowing, so yep, it's snowing. I'm gonna go show you a picture. So literally, yeah, it is literally snowing out there. I'm like so surprised, but I think it's like the biggest snow I think I've ever got in my life. And I tried to show you it out here, but I don't think it worked. But it's seriously snowing outside. And they said it's so bad that tomorrow, when there's snow out there, we we literally can't even go out there. Like, bruh. Like, why not? It's so cold that we can't even go out there. Like, I'm like, I don't know why. I don't know why it's that cold, but I'm like kind of really mad about it. So, yep. I'm gonna give you some other views of the snow, maybe. So guys, it is literally snowing. So, yeah. I showed you some pictures. I have a light on, so right now, whenever I shine outside of something, it's light, because, yeah. And there is 2 more days left till Christmas. 2. Because today is December 22nd. Bubby's down here. Hello. So that is literally it. It is literally snowing. Like literally snowing. Like snowing. Right now. Here's our beautiful Christmas tree. It's beautiful. So yeah. Yep. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe. And if you live in, I hope this is only happening in the US. Hopefully. I think it's hitting Chicago. But hopefully it's just those 2 states. And I hope you stay safe if you're in Chicago or the US, because it's gonna be a rough night. So just make sure you drive. I don't think anybody can drive, but just make sure you get good sleep and you hopefully don't get get frozen, because you can get frozen if you're like not wearing like warm things. So everybody stay safe and please subscribe.